It had been raining hard for weeks. Toby was feeling miserable. Everywhere was wet, wet, wet. His branch line runs through a village. The water in the river had risen with the rain. Only the great wall known as a dam was stopping the water from overflowing. Percy arrived just as Toby was about to inspect the dam for any damage. "Said Percy," replied Toby bravely. Percy watched anxiously as Toby trundled away. His journey took him over a wooden bridge at the end of the village. The river surged dangerously beneath it. Harold the helicopter was inspecting the dam as Toby arrived. Called his driver. The dam did not look safe at all. Toby was very worried. Soon he knew why. Toby shunted back as fast as his wheels would let him. Percy was waiting anxiously for Toby by the bridge. The river had risen so high that the bridge was in danger of collapsing. Toby soon arrived. Shouted Toby's driver. Called Percy. Wailed Toby. Said his driver. Toby was halfway across the bridge when disaster struck. Called Toby. As Toby floated helplessly on the floodwaters, they passed a sign that made them shudder. Beware of a waterfall. Then they saw Harold, who swooped low and shouted urgently to them. And they did, to one of Toby's buffers. Just then Percy arrived. Harold flew over to him. He called. Toby was safe at last. When the floods were over and the dam mended, the villagers had a big party for Toby, hosted by Sir Topham Hatt. Percy rather hoped he'd never have to.